Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Now I know a lot of you absolutely love any deal that involves Olay, and this is a deal for you. We haven't had a deal like this in months, so let's get right into this to get these for 70 cents each. That is magic. That is spectacular. It's everything we love. This deal is hinged on the IBOTTA app, so I hope that all of you are using this app because it's fantastic. Each of these items, $1.50 rebates for each with a limit of up to one time. That's $4.50 coming back to you. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, today's the day. Check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral code and submit your first qualifying receipt, this could be it. You're given an additional $5. Sign up today, guys. If you are just been on the fence about this app, they always have little things that make these coupon deals extra. The promotion this week is we're going to be grabbing all of these products at $8, and I'll give you the visuals on it here in a second. And you get a $5 reward when you buy 3, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. I'm going to show you exactly what the coupon that you have to load here is in a second, this friend, and we're going to look at this deal 2 different ways, doing it with a booster and then doing it without a booster. But load this friend, and this first deal is without a booster. And then again, we have our body wash, we have the Ribbons body wash, and we have the bar soap. Open up the IBOTTA app and scan all these barcodes to ensure that it's attaching to the different rebates. Okay, so here it is, guys. We're doing this deal in store because it involves a register reward. 3 of the Olay body care products. So the bar soap and the 2 different variations of body washes, so Ribbons and just the regular one. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay 19. Get back a $5 register reward, and then $4.50 back from IBOTTA. You'll have to photograph your receipt to that app to get your $4.50 back. The final price point here is $9.50 for the 3 or $3.16 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have those cough drop coupons, you could definitely throw one of those in, or other register rewards or Walgreens cash that you might have to get a smaller out of pocket. You know, quite frankly, I would add an extra $1 to this and use $20 in Walgreens cash if you might have a huge amount. Why not? We all love Olay. The next deal that we're looking at is a similar one, but we're going to change it a little bit around, and we're using this. And when you use one of these, you have to pay for the balance because it's a spend booster. Spend 35 to earn back 7. So we're just going to jog through the basket. We're going to grab a body wash, a Ribbons body wash, and then a 6er of the Olay bar soap. And remember, scan all of those into IBOTTA to ensure you're grabbing the right ones. Also going to toss in 2 of the Colgate products at $6 this week. When you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. And we have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon to go with this best friend. So it makes it like 50 cents each, but with this deal, it's just fantastic any way you slice the pie. And these Colgate Fancies are really nice as well. These are the coupons that you need loaded, the 6 off of 2 and the 5 off of 3. Altogether, that is $11 in digital coupons. Okay, so remember, we're in store for this one. 3 of the Olay body washes, $8 each, that's $24. 2 of those $6 Colgates for $12 for a grand total of $36. Now, make sure your e-booster is loaded. That e-booster of the spend 35 to earn back 7 is also of a one-time use class. We have $11 in digitals melting off that I just showed you in the slides previous. The 5 off of 3 for the Olay and the 6 off of 2 for the Colgate. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $25, get back a $10 register reward, $4.50 back from IBOTTA, plus $7 in Walgreens cash, making this $3.50 for the 5 or 70 cents per item. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, such as the cough drop one, to pay down the balance. You can use manufacturer register rewards if you might have them, or your debit credit card for the balance. Do not use Walgreens cash or those store register rewards, or it's going to mess everything up with that spend 35 to earn back 7 booster. But what a deal for 70 cents. We haven't seen this in a long time. Register reward that you're going to get back is going to be like save $5 on any body care purchase. These are on clearance for $4.99. I know, I wish we had like a high value coupon, but these are all the summer flavors and they're dropping them at 50% off as the summer's winding down. I can't believe I'm saying that in July. I kind of want to cry. But you know, if you want to just look for some clearance body wash, I'm sure your store is going to start hanging these tags. They typically do it on Tuesdays and Saturdays. That's it for this video. Go and get that Olay. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.